Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat Voyager. This is me Mayanka Chattopadhyay and today I am back with another video. This is day 14 of our series of daily QA problems, and the problem on your screen is again a PYQ from CAT 2023 Slot 2 paper. So let's get started. The question says that the area of the quadrilateral bounded by the y-axis, the line x equal to 5, and the line that is given by this particular equation is something. And as we have this particular equation with mods, we have to define this particular function piecewise by taking conditions with respect to the values of x and y. So let's start by drawing the graph on one side of the screen and determining the piecewise values of this particular function. Okay, so this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is origin. Now your x equal to 5 line, suppose this is your 5, so your x equal to 5 line looks something like this. Okay, this is my x equal to 5. Now this is your y-axis, you know already, this is your x equal to 5. Okay, now how many conditions different conditions can we get for this particular function? What do you have here? Mod of x minus y minus mod of x minus 5 equal to 2. For this part we will have two conditions, that will be either your x greater than 5 or your x less than 5, and for this particular part we will have x greater than y or x less than y. So in total you will have how many combinations? 2 from here and 2 from here. Total there will be 4 combinations. Okay, what are those 4 combinations? We will see. So let us take the first example as x greater than 5 and your x is greater than y. Okay, so what will happen in this case? This will open as a positive thing, this will also open as a positive thing. So your resultant equation will be x minus y minus x plus 5 equal to 2. From here you will have, this is our first condition. Okay, condition 1, right? So we will have here this x will get cancelled out and your minus y is equal to minus 3 or y equal to 3. Fine, let's take this in the graph, this as your y equal to 3 point, or this is your 0,3 point. So the line given will be this, and this particular cut, this particular point is your 5,3, right? Okay, we are done with condition 1. Now your condition 2 is x greater than 5 and your x less than y. Previously we had greater than y, now we have less than y. Okay, so what will happen is this will open, this particular thing will open as positive, but this will open as negative, right? So this will be y minus x plus 5 equal to 2, or this will be your y minus 2x equal to minus 3. Now there is one form of straight line which will really help us draw this particular straight line on the graph easily, or you can straight away go with the standard method. Let's go with that. So is y equal to 2x minus 3. This 2 is your slope and minus 3 is the intercept on the y-axis. If you don't know already, the equation of a standard straight line is given by y equal to mx plus c, where m is your slope and c is the intercept. So if we have a graph something like this, if this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, then y equal to mx plus c looks like this, where this slope, if this angle is theta, then this slope given by tan theta equal to your m, and this particular value from your origin to the cut point, this particular value is given by c. Okay, so we have this particular value. So at -3, this straight line will cut the y-axis. We already know that this point is 0 comma -3, and what will happen, your slope is 2. That means at x equal to at y equal to 0, what value? Y equal to 0 means at this level, this particular level, what value your x will take. If you put y equal to 0, it will be 2x equal to 3 or x equal to 1.5. So it is cutting at some 1.5, right? And if your x is equal to 5, this line, then your y becomes what? Put x equal to 5 here, your y becomes 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So your 7 will be, if this is your 3, your 7 will be somewhere here, let's say. So essentially this is your straight line from condition 2. Fine. Then let's move on to condition 3. Let's name these things. This is from your condition 1, C1. This is your C2. Okay, now your condition 3 is what? X less than 5 and your x is greater than y. So what will happen is that in the original equation, this will open as positive, but this will open as negative as x is less than 5. Okay, so it will become what? Your x minus y, and you have plus x minus 5 equal to, what do you have? 2, right? So this is 2x minus y equal to 7, or y equal to 2x minus 7. Again it is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, and your m or slope is 2, and this is minus 7, which is the intercept, right? So if this is your minus 3, then minus 7 will be somewhere here. This is your 0 comma minus 7. Now let's examine further. If your y equal to 0, if y equal to 0, then x becomes what? 3.5, right? That means you have somewhere here 3.5. Fine. And if your x equal to 5, that means on this line we are trying to find out what is the value of y. If your x equal to 5 in this particular equation, then y equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. Where is your 3? 3 is nothing but this point. So it will go like this. This will go like this, and it will move on further. This is your condition 3. Fine. The only remaining condition is condition 4, which is x less than 5 and your x is also less than y. So what will happen is that both the things will open as negative. So we have y minus x plus x minus 5 equal to 2, or we have what? Y, this x gets cancelled out, equal to 7, right? Y equal to 7 is nothing but your this we have already marked as 7. So yeah, this is your 0 comma 7. Now let's look at what we had in the original conditions that were given in the question. So the boundaries we had: y-axis, this y-axis, this x equal to 5 line, and this set of equations, right? So those were generated, those sets of equations generated this dotted lines, and as we are concerned about the whole area bounded by these curves, then we will take only the boundaries. So we will not take this particular line or this particular line. Why? Because we are only interested in the boundaries. Okay, so this is my one of the boundaries. This is your x equal to 5, which is also a boundary. This y equal to 7 is a boundary, and my y axis is a boundary. So essentially, let's name them. This is, suppose, your A point, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. Then my ABCD is the resultant polygon, or better to say resultant trapezium we are having. Now what is the value of AB? The value of AB is nothing but 5, because that is x equal to 5 line. This line is x equal to 5 line. Okay, what is my value of BC, or this one? Your C is at 3, your B is at 7, so this value is nothing but 4. Okay, what is your value of AD? AD is nothing but, on this side you have 7 and on this side you have -7, so your AD is nothing but 14. So essentially you have this trapezium A, B, C and D, where this is 5, this is 4 and this is 14. So the area of the trapezium, as we already know, the area of the trapezium is given by half into distance between two parallel sides. Here parallel sides are AD and your BC. The distance between them is 5. So 5 into the sum of the length of the parallel sides. That means BC plus AD, which is your 14 plus 4. So we will have half into 5 into 14, and 4 is 18. This will give you 9, and this is 45, and 45 is your answer to the question. This is the required area that the question asked us to find. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked and enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share this video among your friends so that they also can learn something new. At the very end of this video, I have attached a playlist where you will find all the previous videos made by me so far. If you have not already, I would definitely suggest you to go through them once. They contain good problems and will definitely reinforce some of your basic concepts. Also, if you want me to make videos on any particular topic, you can reach out to me personally, or you can mention them in the comment section of this particular video. Thank you guys for watching. I will be back again tomorrow with another such video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.